My name is Aya Toukan, and I started my journey with the Art Trove in 2017. I had the idea of basically collaborating with artisans, with local artisans and different NGOs that specialize and focus on local craftsmanship. So basically when I first started, I started with local raw materials that were homegrown in Jordan. So I started with materials like halfa, banana leaves, natural dyes that were homegrown in Jordan Valley. And then I delved into the world of embroidery. I focused on beadwork, on hand-beaded graphics for the home. So I started doing like placemats, coasters, and then I wanted to add like a new dimension, like a modern dimension to the brand. And that's when I introduced plexiglass to the brand, basically. So I combined their traditional craftsmanship, the beadwork, with plexi. So for me, they're not just colorful products. There are stories behind these products. They're handmade. There's a lot of struggles goes into these products. So I like people to know that yes, they are colorful. They're super modern and contemporary, but there are stories behind them, and this is what makes brands today super special. So my inspiration comes from different life encounters that I come across in my everyday life, from different kinds of art, specifically contemporary art, from nature, people I come across, travels. These are my main inspirations, and I get a lot of inspiration from that. Obviously, I also get inspired so much by the artisans I work with, and I like to see how and what they think about the designs, like I like to see their input as well. And for the Biennale store, it was a curation. So they curated the whole collection. They know who comes into their store, and they know what aligns with their store and what doesn't.